Welcome to North Carolina Weekend. I'm Deborah Holt Noel, and summer is an invitation to get out and explore. Our first stop is the iconic Grandfather Mountain. With peaks rising nearly 6,000 feet above sea level, Grandfather Mountain offers miles of hiking trails and gorgeous views. But we discovered lots more that will appeal to all kinds of travelers. Let's take a trip to Watauga County.
Grandfather Mountain is a nature park and preserve here in Linville, North Carolina. We're probably most known for the Mile High Swinging Bridge. It's America's highest suspension footbridge. It connects two peaks up here, gives people absolutely amazing views of the landscape around us, and it's also just a thrill. We're also known for our animal habitats where we have black bears, cougars, otters, elk, and bald eagles. We have the Wilson Center for Nature Discoveries, so it's just a really spectacular place for folks to come visit.
Grandfather Mountain here in northwest North Carolina was really a rugged backcountry location. In the late 1800s, a large tract of land, about 16,000 acres, was acquired, and then later the Grandfather Mountain travel attraction became a destination, really starting with the founding of Hugh Morton's Park in 1952 when he expanded the park road and built the Mile High Swinging Bridge. Hugh Morton was just really an amazing person. He had an incredible vision here at Grandfather Mountain, a huge economic driver for our local community, but he also, more than that, was a conservationist. He recognized the importance of getting people connected to nature, and that's our mission today as a nonprofit. We know that people have to come to a place like this, fall in love with it. If we love it, we'll protect it, and it'll be here forever.
So the Yanalasi salamander is one of a couple different species of salamanders that was discovered here on Grandfather Mountain. And it was found on what is now US Highway 221 that wraps around Grandfather Mountain. At the time it was called the Yanalasi Road, hence the name, the Yanalasi salamander. And so as we were developing this space, we thought what better tie-in for a space that is kid-centric, kid-focused than to use our mascot Yanni for the Junior Naturalist program. And so we developed the name Yanni's Clubhouse, and so Yanni is scattered throughout this space. He helps the kids learn, helps guide them, not only here, but throughout the park as well.
In the 60s, Mildred the bear was our founding bear. Eventually, they decided to build the first bear habitat around her and start a bear breeding program. They don't need our help anymore. We now have an estimated 20,000 black bears in the state of North Carolina, and now, going forward, we're hoping to give a home to any new bears that may need our help.
I have been bringing my family here for 15 years now. We have been taking the standard picture with the bear statue in the lobby since they were infants, so it's been really cool to see them grow. And every time we've been here, it's been a wonderful experience, and that's what keeps us coming back.
Okay, it is my first time coming here. I've been dying to come here. It is gorgeous, whether there be fog, rain, whatever. It is stunning views. It's just a staple that you have to come and do if you're in the area.
We offer dozens of programs from April through October, and we really encourage our guests to take advantage of those. If you're planning a trip in advance, check out that schedule and try to incorporate some of those into your visit.
You know, Grandfather Mountain is an iconic natural destination, international biosphere. There's over 70 rare and endangered plants and animals that call Grandfather Mountain home. More than 200 bird species live here in the summer months. And we hope the visitors come today, they cross the Mile High Swinging Bridge, they see the beauties of Grandfather, the wonders, but we really do hope they leave changed, having a love and passion for the natural world. We just hope that they're good stewards of what they're responsible for. And that's really the overall lesson that we try to focus on here at Grandfather Mountain.
Grandfather Mountain is open daily year-round, though hours vary by season. For tickets, special events, and information about